Nvidia and AMD are two of the most prominent players in the graphics card market, each offering a range of products that cater to the needs of gamers, content creators, and professionals. Comparing Nvidia and AMD graphic cards involves considering various factors, including performance, features, software support, and pricing. Performance. Both Nvidia and AMD offer high-performance graphic cards, but the competition between their flagship models often drives innovation. Nvidia's GeForce RTX series and AMD's Radeon RX 6000 series are known for their powerful gaming capabilities. While benchmarks can vary between specific models, Nvidia generally holds an edge in terms of raw performance and efficiency, thanks to its CUDA cores and dedicated hardware like Tensor cores and RT cores for ray tracing. Features. Nvidia's RTX cards introduced real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics through features like DLSS, deep learning supersampling. These technologies enhance visual fidelity and performance in supported games. AMD's Radeon RX 6000 series also supports ray tracing and offers features like Smart Access Memory, which boosts performance when used with compatible AMD processors. Software support. Nvidia has historically enjoyed better software optimization and driver support. Its GeForce Experience software provides automatic driver updates, game optimization, and in-game recording features. AMD's driver support has improved significantly in recent years, but Nvidia still maintains an edge in terms of stability and feature-rich software. Pricing. AMD has often positioned its graphic cards as more budget-friendly options compared to Nvidia's higher-priced offerings. This can make AMD cards attractive to users seeking solid performance without breaking the bank. However, Nvidia's premium models like the RTX 30 series tend to offer top-tier performance at a higher cost. Ray tracing and AI performance. Nvidia's RTX series introduced ray tracing capabilities to gaming, enhancing lighting, shadows, and reflections for a more realistic experience. DLSS, powered by AI, also boosts performance while maintaining image quality. While AMD's RDNA 2 architecture supports ray tracing, Nvidia's RTX cards still lead the industry in this area. Cryptocurrency mining. Both Nvidia and AMD graphic cards have been impacted by cryptocurrency mining trends. Cryptocurrency miners often purchase GPUs in bulk, leading to shortages and increased prices for gamers. In response, Nvidia introduced crypto-specific versions of some cards to address this demand and help keep gaming-focused models available. In summary, choosing between Nvidia and AMD graphic cards depends on individual preferences, priorities, and budget. Nvidia excels in raw performance, ray tracing, and AI capabilities, while AMD offers competitive pricing and innovative features like Smart Access Memory. The decision should be based on factors such as the specific models available, gaming needs, software compatibility, and budget constraints. As both companies continue to push the boundaries of graphics technology, consumers benefit from an ever-evolving market with exciting options from both sides.